I'm about to show you how I turned $0 into my own meme coins, launched them live, and cashed out profits. Here's how I did it step by step.
Chapter 1. Overview of token creation.
Now take a look at this phantom wallet. Yep, all of that came from launching meme coins on repeat, not by trading them. It's not by guessing, it's not by trading, it's just by using a strategy that works consistently. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how I made over $7 million. Now, if you guys do not know already, over 95% of people in this space are actually trading meme coins, and the other 5% are all devs. Now, there is a reason why I switched from trading to diving, because every single time I bought inside a brand new meme coin, which I thought it was promising, well, I ended up completely being exit liquidity, and that's exactly why I stopped trading and I started diving, because now I am the one who is pumping and then dumping, like we say, and that's exactly when I figured out the real play. The real money in this space is not made by trading, but it's made by creating your own projects. Because when you launch a token, you control everything from the timing, the supply, and the entire narrative of the coin. You cannot lose anything at all from your pockets because creating coins costs the tree $0. Okay, I will show you guys exactly how to make it for $0 in today's video, but if you keep trading, bro, you will keep losing, and that's why you have to switch to deving. So keep watching, bro. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to make your first meme coin and potentially like turn $0 into like 1,500 a day or some shit like that, and just rinse and repeat. So keep watching. Now, this video is for educational purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice, so always make your own decisions. Now, most beginner devs, okay, will go with the Pump.Fun to launch their first meme coin. Now, let me tell you something that is the truth. Pump.Fun is not where you want to be launching your own coins, because Pump.Fun is so oversaturated that most new coins die before anyone even sees them, okay? When you launch a meme coin, bro, you do not get any traction. You do not control your own liquidity, and you cannot even get attention because your coin has to reach an $85,000 market cap for it to be graduated onto the RAM DEX, which takes too much luck and too much effort. So that's why I switched to SolanaTokenLabs.io, because SolanaTokenLabs.io is the new launch pad that everyone uses to make profits. Now, your token on this website will launch directly onto the Raydium DEX, which means it will be immediately migrated and becomes tradable immediately to a bunch of new people, to everyone who is trenching at the current moment. That's why I love launching on SolanaTokenLabs.io, because you get more exposure, more buyers, and a much cleaner launch. And on top of that, bro, you actually control your own liquidity, so you can cash out whenever you want, unlike Pump.Fun. Now, anyways, SolanaTokenLabs.io gives you two simple options to make your first meme coin. The first way is obviously to build from scratch a whole new coin on the blockchain. So first of all, you need to choose a good narrative for the coin.
Chapter 2. Hunting viral meme coin.
Now go on X, go on Google, right, and type in news and look for articles or look for funny trends, funny tweets, just anything, right? Just look for something decent. Now, a really good example is Elon Musk tweets. His tweets usually do really, really well for meme coins. But yeah, let me see if we could find something. No, there's nothing for now. Once you have a good narrative, come back to SolanaTokenLabs.io, invent a name, add a symbol, add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin is custom created on chain. But the second way to make a memecoin, bro, coins already have traffic and attention on Pump.Fun, and your job, okay, is to copy them, and you'll get instant buyers at higher profits from the start because the hype is already built in.
Chapter 3. Token creation.
Okay, let's stop explaining and let's actually develop memecoin right now. Once you have a good narrative, come back to solanatokenlabs.io. All right, let's launch this coin right now live on camera so you can see exactly how simple and fast the whole process is. But for my new viewers today, I make manual token to clear the science behind the token creation. Connect your wallet. You'll get a pop-up asking for authorization. Just click confirm and you're in. Next, we move to filling in the token details. I'm naming this PEKO and shortening it to PEKO to keep it catchy. Upload the logo you just downloaded, hit next and keep going. When you reach the token settings page, don't touch anything. It's already perfectly configured. You want that full 1 billion token supply. We'll need it later. For the description, I'm writing PEKO. Just click next and move forward. Now you'll see the option to add social media links. You can skip this part, and I always do. It's never been a problem with Raydium launches. Just turn off that toggle and skip it. Next screen asks if you want to add creator info and a project website, but it costs 0.1 Solana. Honestly, it's not worth it. Just toggle it off and keep your soul. Skip it and move on. Now comes one of the coolest features, custom token addresses. Solanatokenlabs.io lets you add endings like pump or moon to your token's address. It makes it look like it launched through Pump.Fun, which helps build trust, attract buyers, and boost early hype. However, if you put moon or pump like suffix having 4 alphabets, it will take around 20 minutes to update on solanatokenlabs.io. So if you want to avoid long wait while creating your coin, add PM or MO like 2 alphabets in small. After that, you'll see 3 toggle switches. This part is super important. Make sure every single one stays turned on. If you turn off revoke freeze, it means you can freeze trading anytime, which is a big red flag. If you turn off revoke mint, it means you can mint unlimited tokens, another huge red flag. If you turn off revoke update, it means you can change the contract whenever you want, massive red flag. Serious investors notice these things right away. If they see anything disabled, they'll run. So leave all the toggles on and click create token. Your wallet will pop up asking for final approval. Confirm it with one click and boom, your token is officially live on Solana.
Chapter 4. Add liquidity to the token.
Now, this part's easy. We're creating the liquidity pool. But now the next step, setting up a liquidity pool. Moving forward, return to solanatokenlabs.io and select create liquidity pool, which will immediately transition you to Raydium's platform. Priority 1, verify your wallet is properly connected. Now, the essential step, making our meme token the foundation. Click on the token selector, then briefly return to solanatokenlabs.io to copy your coin's unique identifier. Back in Raydium, paste that address in the search box positioned under the token selection instruction. Now we'll specify our token details. For this demo, I'm inputting PEKO as the symbol and PEKO as the project name. Press add user token to confirm, then select your token one more time. We're supplying 900 million from our total 1 billion, ideal for a meme coin. Select Solana. It's your pairing. This is the best part. Being the first liquidity provider means you can max out your position risk-free. First things first, deduct that 0.5 SOL fee from your total amount cause of the creation fee I'm pointing out. The fee tier should be set at 0.25%. After triple checking all your inputs, select initialize liquidity pool and confirm to approve the required transaction. Perfect. Our liquidity pool is now operational and the coin is tradable.
Chapter 5. Promoting meme coin.
Alright, so promoting your meme coin has never been easier. Forget about wasting hours posting on Telegram and Reddit. That old school method is dead. Today, I'm showing you how I use promotememes.com to get instant exposure across dexscreener, GMGN, Birdeye, and even Twitter and Telegram, plus how to build a free professional website for your coin in seconds. Let's get into it. Once you're on promotememes.com, connect your Solana wallet. I'm using Phantom here. Click connect wallet, confirm the pop-up, and that's it. Wallet connected, ready to go. before I show you the flow, take a second to scroll. You'll see why this platform's a game changer, and it's trusted by top tracking platforms, promotes across 20 plus crypto sites, and even gives you visibility on DEX tools and SoulScan automatically. It's literally your one-stop launch companion. All right, now back to the form. I'm pasting my token address right here. Just grab yours from Solana tokenlabs.io and drop it in. Next, pick your promotion type. They've got a free 1-minute test, but I'm going with the advanced 60 minutes option. It costs 0.5 SOL and shows the full potential. Here's the fun part. This new update lets you instantly create a free website for your token. Just toggle on include free website, upload your logo, enter your token name. I'll name this one Pico, and select your launch platform like Raydium or LaunchLab. Pick your theme. I usually go with dark, then confirm, done. The website preferences are saved automatically. Now we're ready to go. Hit pay and promote. The phantom window pops up. Now see na guy the big sun. Unlock your wallet, confirm the transaction. I kisai day handixali kansai, and watch the process in real time. It's building your website and promoting your token at the same time. Literally hands-free. Almost done, and boom, website ready. It shows your custom website link. Just copy it or click visit website. Let's check it out. Here's our live token website, fully generated in under 2 minutes. We've got the logo, token name, and live on Solana badge. Scrolling down, you can see all the sections already filled. Token details, supply, tokenomics, buy buttons, even real-time chart tracking links for dexscreener, GMGN, Bird Eye, and Dex tools. It looks completely professional and instantly ready to cha. Now, here's what makes this so powerful. While your website's live, the system automatically shares your coin across all major crypto communities: Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Discord, and smaller alpha groups that you wouldn't even find manually. So for the next hour, your coin gets visibility everywhere. No manual posting, no burnout. Within minutes, you'll start seeing chart activity on dexscreener, live trades, real traction, and early buyers jumping in. This is the same automation I use for every launch. And now click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for a better view of our memecoin. And now, as you guys can see, bro, we're already live. We're already getting about a ton of buyers, a bit of sellers. Okay, a $40 buy right here. That is not bad. We are at a 1.5k market cap. I still believe this coin can go higher because, guys, you have to trust the process, and you have to remember that this coin costed us $0 to create. So more and more people are going to start seeing the coin and buying in. So yeah, it's just exponential, bro. More and more people are going to start seeing it on Axiom, on Nova, okay? And they're going to buy in. Okay, come on. Pump 1.5k market cap. Things are looking good. Oh, $40 buy. Oh, someone just sold for 80 bucks. That hurts a bit. Come on, pump, pump, pump. Do not be emotional, okay? Just wait. Just let the coin pump, bro. Okay, come on, pump. Okay, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, and I will be right back to cash out profits, okay? So be right back. Okay guys, I am back, and we are at the 5.8k market cap, and as you guys can see, bro, we are in a uptrend. So it is doing higher highs, higher lows. So yeah, and we have 2.2k in liquidity, and it's still getting transactions every single second.
Chapter 6. Remove liquidity from the token.
Now, before it goes down, let's make some money. To exit your position, head over to Raydium, ensure your wallet is properly connected, and press the standard button you'll find at the bottom area. And there is your current position profit time. First, click the minus symbol, then push that slider to 100%. And as you guys can see, we are now up $1,500 in official profits. Ignore everything except the SOL value. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive like 9 SOL around there. Choose choose remove liquidity and approve. There it is, confirmation received and money in hand. Okay, even though the market is down, we still ended up on top, bro. So you guys got to tap in with this method, bro. It's actually insane. If you want to win 3 Solana, make sure to like, comment your Sun address, subscribe, and join my Discord group and my Telegram group down below to enter the giveaway.